هموطنان از قرار که میبینین ما با سوپرستار یا کینگ آف بالیوود یا کینگ آف خان شاهرخ خان قرار داریم که جای افتخار است و با دعوت از اینا ما اینجا آمدیم که البته خیبر جان کوچی در این قسمت ما را همکاری کردن همراه رضا جان کوزاد. Very welcome, Mr. Khan.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. You're busy, I know that. Okay, my first question is, what's the main reason that you are in Los Angeles?
We're making a film here, which is called first Assalamu Alaikum to everyone in Afghanistan, and we're making a film which is known as My Name is Khan, and it's a film about an autistic person and his journey through America. So we are using a part of Los Angeles, the outskirts of Los Angeles, and then the film shifts to Washington and San Francisco. So I've been here last 20 days shooting My Name is Khan.
Okay, Khan. You know that you have a lot of fans, especially in Afghanistan and out of Afghanistan. Do you have any future plan go to Afghanistan and make a movie? Because all Afghans waiting for you.
No, inshallah I will. My father's father is from Afghanistan.
Oh, wow, that's good.
Yeah, so I've been to Afghanistan. I've been up to the Khyber Pass. My family is in Peshawar.
Okay.
So I have visited Afghanistan when I was very young. I'd gone up to Kabul.
Okay.
But yeah, inshallah, if there is a chance, some of my friends went and shot a film also, the Kabul Express.
Oh, I know.
Yes, I would
John
love to.
Ibrahim.
John and all.
Yeah,
Yes,
I had an interview with John also.
Yes, I would love to come down, inshallah, one of these days. And I know a bit of Farsi also.
Oh, you know a little bit?
Yeah,
Can
my
you say
father
something?
is. I know Naam Shuma Chist.
Nazir Mardumi.
And
Naam Shuma Chist?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Good one, good
And
one.
I know, I'll tell you, there was another one I knew. Dil Ama Dag Dag Shut Pamba Kuja Kuja Naam.
Oh, wow, that's so nice, honestly.